tomato bell pepper noodles, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the capsicum recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the noodles recipes and one of the most nutritious of the breakfast recipes. Today we're going to make bell pepper tomato noodles. The ingredients are 1 red bell pepper cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 green bell pepper cut into pieces, 2 to 3 sprigs of mint leaves, around 6 to 8 pieces of green onions, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 1 onion cut into pieces. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil, spread the oil in the pan, put in the onion pieces, thoroughly saute until the onions take the pinkish color. Now put in the ginger, salt, the ginger, now put in the garlic, family salt, put in the red bell pepper pieces. Put in the green bell pepper piece. Put in salt paste, mix in the salt, put in pinch of mixture spices, spoon, stir it in short enough, mix in the mixture spices, put in the tomato pieces, saute and mix thoroughly. Now put in the Maggi Noodles paste maker into the mixture, mix thoroughly. Now pour in 100 to 150 ml of water, mix, and let the mixture boil. Once the mixture boils, pour in 2 spoons of tomato chili sauce. We have used Maggi tomato chili sauce. Mix. put in the noodles, instant noodles, Maggi instant noodles into the mixture. Mix and let this mixture cook for 2 to 5 minutes. If it is instant noodles, if you're using any other noodles, cook according to the instructions. Now put in the mint leaves and the spring onions on top. Slowly mix. Now the tomato bell pepper noodles is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final tomato bell pepper noodles. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the noodles recipes and one of the most unique of the easy breakfast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.